Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle, where we bring you the latest in automotive reviews. Today, we have something truly special, the Cadillac Escalade-V. Cadillac's high-performance luxury SUV that combines raw power with cutting-edge technology. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about design. The Escalade-V commands attention with its aggressive front fascia, featuring a blacked-out V-Series grille and signature LED headlights. The sculpted hood hints at the beast lurking underneath. Cadillac didn't just make this SUV bigger, they made it bold. Check out these 22-inch alloy wheels paired with Brembo performance brakes, and around the back, quad exhaust tips and a subtle V badge remind you this isn't your ordinary Escalade. Now, the heart of the Escalade-V. Under the hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering a jaw-dropping 682 horsepower and 653 pounds-to-feet of torque. That's right, this full-size luxury SUV rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. The 10-speed automatic transmission is tuned for smooth shifts and instant power delivery. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's just as impressive as the performance. The 2025 Escalade-V features premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and intricate stitching. It's not just an SUV, it's a mobile luxury lounge. The 38-inch curved OLED display offers crisp graphics for both the instrument cluster and infotainment, with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Staying connected has never been easier. And for audiophiles, the AKG Studio Reference 36 speaker sound system delivers immersive sound quality. Even with all this luxury and power, the Escalade-V doesn't compromise on space. It offers seating for up to 7 passengers with ample legroom and headroom. The power-folding third row and generous cargo space make it perfect for family road trips or a weekend getaway. Cadillac didn't skimp on tech either. The Escalade-V comes equipped with Super Cruise, offering hands-free driving on compatible highways, plus a full suite of advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system ensures you're always protected. So, what's the price for all this luxury and performance? The 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V starts at around $150,000, and with options, it can go higher. It's a big price tag, but you're getting a lot of car for your money. In summary, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V is a remarkable blend of power, luxury, and technology. Whether you're hauling your family or just want a commanding presence on the road, this SUV delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible SUV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.